Hello everybody, I want to demonstrate the cycling of our heat press that I got from work, and repaired the relay in it, took it apart, got it functioning again, but makes a chattering relay sound in the relay, when it kicks off. So I want to put this out there and see if this is normal with this heat press. Of course, it did last 3 or 4 years before the part had to be replaced. I think this specific relay has 100,000 cycles. Listen. Yeah, that was a quiet one, and you'll hear it cycle off, and then let's see if I can just turn it down. Don't worry about the time on there. I had my hand on there trying to get the top back on. Should have took it back off. You can tell it's been sitting for a while. Hear that? Before it kicks on, so that was a good one. And it's always done that. So just wonder if that's a normal thing, or if it's not, might have to adjust or repair another part in there. So thanks for watching.